Alright guys, Brian and Liz, FPO2, we're back at it. We're on another adventure. Where are we at today, babe?
We are in downtown Detroit at Campus Martius.
So we're going to be hanging out with a couple of our friends, Eric and Steph. I'm sure you guys see them on future vlogs, but we're going to potentially ice skate. We'll see how it goes. And then go get some food after. So let's go hang out with these guys and have some fun. Look at the little town over here.
I know, isn't it so cute?
It is cute.
I'm like losing my voice a little bit.
Let's go check it out. I have like the best night vision. Actually a little colder than I thought, huh?
Yeah. I tried to get him to go on the bringing my own. These are awful.
I got mine on.
So on a scale from 1 to 10, how excited are you?
11. Why are they on the rail? Yeah. This is a lot harder than it looks. I get pulled up on this. One of our selfies.
Yeah, it was really funny.
It's a good one actually. Turn down. Alright, what are you guys gonna do? You gotta do it again. Let's go! Detroit! There you go. You're famous. All the 17-year-old boys love you. Hey, it's clown night. We didn't know that, but we came down and there's about 50 clowns here.
Detroit is an interesting
Some people kind of freak me out a little bit, but...
Everybody's trying to get free. Everybody's trying to get free.
You having a good time?
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. I can't.
Please don't fall.
I don't want to fall.
So Brian has me carrying all of the cameras.
I can hold the camera and do my thing, but not on the ice.
So I have... Can I say hi to your subscribers? Sure. You guys better like and comment this video. She's gonna be on the top. Thanks. Have a good night.
I got a little man just almost fell into the wall. His parents grabbed him by the coat as he was about to fall into the wall. Where's my backup? Only this corner. Stop here. That's me. Wow. That is... I think that's a cute one.
Awesome. You're fine. So a little bit different than when you rented out that ice arena for my birthday, right?
Yeah, nobody can see me fail. There's like 150 people on this thing.
Brian, for my 25th birthday, rented out the entire Novi ice arena, like the entire thing. We pulled up, and I thought we were gonna go open skating. And he's like, oh ma'am, let me take you to your locker room, like the rink guy. And there's nobody there. And I literally cried because it was like the most epic birthday present.
I cried too because you guys know how much money it costs to rent out an ice arena. But that was like one of the best times ever.
Yeah. I wish we had our vlog then because that would have been such fun memories.
Right. Martius, downtown Detroit. You suggest everybody comes down here once in a while?
Yes, but not on clown night.
Not on clown night? Kind of weird, huh?
A little weird.
Oh, my feet are cramped. Ready? I just want to get them off.
You did really good. I was pretty
did.
surprised.
I didn't biff it, which doesn't really mean I'm good. It just means I didn't biff it, but ice skate's supposed to be rusted. Hey guys, having fun at Greektown. You guys should come check this place out if you guys are ever in the area. It's beautiful down here. Just catching up inside, staying warm, but let's go get some food at Wahlburgers.
45 minutes, this food is right down here. I don't know.
Beautiful. If I come down.
Going down, I love it. No.
All right, so we're wrapping this one up. What'd you think?
We had a fun time.
It was a good time. We got ice skating. We went to Wahlburgers. And then you get your little treats at the Astoria Bakery. That was really, really good. So, yeah, all right, guys, we're going to wrap this one up. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Any final thoughts or anything else you want to add?
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope you guys are enjoying the videos. We're feeling better back in the game.
Yeah, you're feeling a lot better.
Yeah, I was like sick. You got sick for like a week, and then I got sick for like a week, and holy cow.
More videos coming this week?
Yeah.
All right, cool. All right, guys, like Liz said, don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.